Hello everyone, welcome to the second smallest state in Australia, Victoria. Driving to Melbourne, it's mesmerizing to see landscapes and the beautiful colors of South Pacific Ocean. First stop is Buchan Caves. These caves served as shelter for Aboriginal people way back 18,000 years ago. Inside the caves are stalactites and stalagmites. This one is a beacon-like stalactites. This is one of the bird's eye views of our stop with drone. Right-hand driving is fun, but it's not easy. Approaching Squeaky Beach, this beach has pure white sand that's like a talcum powder. It is also famous for surfers. Sceneries going to Melbourne are just so magnificent. We just can't help but stop the car and walk along the beach and enjoy the nature. It was extremely windy in Phillip Island. This island is famous for Grand Prix and Penguin Parade. Opened in 1900, you can experience steam railway in an old locomotive with puffing belly. Welcome to my favorite city here in Victoria, Melbourne. Why Melbourne is my favorite city? Well, it is so vibrant and diverse, plus Yarra River makes the city landscape so alive with its towers and architectural buildings. With over 600 traders, the big market is the largest open-air market in Southern Hemisphere. Here you can buy everything from soft cheeses, wines and palace sausages to Greek dips, truffle oil and kangaroo biltong. Enjoying the weather with my brother and sister-in-law here at the park. Great Ocean Road is one of Australia's most famous road touring routes. Playing with waves can really be fun, but you have to watch out, especially if you have small children, because it can also be extremely dangerous. The 12 Apostles is a name given to these eroded limestone rock formations in Port Campbell National Park. Loch Ardgour is one of my best loved stop points along Great Ocean Road. Oops, almost gone fishing. This is a sinkhole formation that attracts many tourists. So this is the part 2 of our Australia trip. Join me again on the part 3, which is Adelaide, South Australia. And I see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.